Hello, my dear teacher. How about you?
Alhamdulillah, and you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. What's those? Tell me, please.
Could you repeat the question, please?
I have questioned you. What is this? Tell me. I don't know. What is this? How about you?
This is a flower. I know this flower is so beautiful and looking so nice. And you?
Alhamdulillah, this is Mother's flower. I like this flower. The flower's color is red. I choose red color. And I like to another flower. This is my favorite flower, so I like it.
Alhamdulillah. I am also like this flower, but my most favorite flower is rose. But actually, this flower is red rose is my favorite flower because I like this. I like this flower very much, and that's enough.
MashaAllah, when will you go from here in your house? When will you go from this madrasa in your house?
I will go to my house like 1 p.m. Then after fresh, I fresh my body and I take wudu. Then I prepare my salah for salah.
I want to go in your house. If you agree,
Yes, no problem. No problem. It's okay. I also want to this topic. You will come to my house and spend your quality time.
obviously I am agree, inshallah. I will go to your house, inshallah. But I have no bike. I have bike very dirty. So I should to go by your bike, inshallah. If you agree, I will go, but by in your bike, inshallah. Do you agree?
Inshallah, I am highly agree. Inshallah, no problem. The bike is not you, but I have one bike. So that's easily you can join with us with bike, and we will go to my house, and we will go to another place like traveling, like visits. It is.
What's your bike style thing? I don't know. How about your bike? What's your model name? Your bike, please.
My bike name is Yamaha Feather, 150cc. Then 1 liter oil. My bike will run. My bike will run 40, maybe 40 or 35 kilometers. Inshallah.
But, mashallah, I like one bike. The name is Discovery 125. Inshallah, if Allah is agree about me, inshallah, I will buy one bike. That name is Discovery 125. Inshallah, from Shodopur.
But this bike is not available from Bangladesh. It's available for India or any other country. But obviously, as soon as possible, the bike is available in Bangladesh, like 2025, inshallah, or 2024, last year finishing.
You don't know. It has many bikes. I saw many bikes. 125. Do you know? Available. 125. Available. So no problem.
You tell 225. Oh, you know 125. 125 is available. Bangladesh. your favorite bike is Discover 125, right? Is it? It's a better bike for you because your body qualification, your handsomeness, your mindness is set up for this bike. That's why this bike is only for you. Yeah, the bike, when you will ride the bike, you are looking so sweet and so cute. Example, your wife and your two sons, when you will ride this bike, I mean. Alhamdulillah. That's why it's very beautiful. It's looking like very beautiful from you and your family members.
How much your family member? May I know?
Only 5 members. Me and my wife and my daughter, my little brother and my father, my mother.
Hello, my dear teacher. I don't know. Are you married or you are single?
Alhamdulillah, I am married and I have one daughter. Her name is Mahdiya. He's looking so cute, mashallah. And I also added you, your two sons will also so looking so sweet. Your big son, his name is Khalid Saifullah, and your little son name is Usama.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. I'm also married person and I have two sons. One name is Khalid Saifullah Khalid bin Mahmoud and one son's name is Usama bin Mahmoud. I'm married person. My father and mother-in-law's house is government and my wife's name is Moira. She's very understand of our family and my family 6 people. There is also very nice alhamdulillah. My little brother's name is Raki. He joined in Dhaka. And I'm teacher also from modern Hicks Madrasa. And I have many students. I have many people. I have many students, and my students is very cute, and I like them. I choose them. But there is also he came here, and they are studying in this madrasa, and I like them. Obviously, I like them. I choose them. Their student is very beautiful. Inshallah. And how about your students? Please give me.
Alhamdulillah. This madrasa is so beautiful and I like this madrasa. Because madrasa, students, teachers and any other person basically
Connection is page.
sorry, the connection is page. At this moment. It's okay, no problem. I'm talking this madrasa. I like this madrasa and because this madrasa's teachers, students and environment will also very good and that's why this madrasa I like this place. And I also added this madrasa will have to send sense in environment, because we have to sense our environment. We have to take the top position in Sadarpur Upazila, Faridpur Jila, because it depends on you can